mama! Do you ever feel like you just can't keep up with your eating? Like you're snacking all day, always hungry, and still somehow exhausted? You're not alone. As a mom of a toddler, I've had so many weeks where I felt completely out of control with food. I'd reach for the drive-thru, eat whatever was in front of me, and then wonder why I felt sluggish and guilty. And today, I want to share it with you. That's when I realized. When I fuel my body, I'm a better mom. More patient, more energized, more me. So I created a simple meal prep system that helped me take care of myself without taking away from my family. Step 1. Know your why before anything else. Ask yourself, why do I want to change the way I eat? Not from shame or pressure, but from honesty and care. Are you tired? Bored? Overwhelmed? Did you grow up without learning how to plan meals? Maybe you snack to avoid stress, or you eat because it's quick and comforting. Whatever your reason, write it down. Keep it visible. And don't judge yourself. You're doing your best. Step 2. Make a simple weekly food plan. This isn't a diet. This is pre-deciding how to love yourself through food. Planning out a few meals for the week has saved me from so many last-minute drive-thru runs. It gives me peace, knowing something nourishing is waiting at home. Need help starting? I have got a free guide linked below that walks you through 5 easy steps to build a food plan that actually works for real-life moms. Step 3. Use tools that work for you. Do the hardest part of meal prep: chopping, cleaning, cooking, and storing. So let's make it easier. I use a veggie chopper, a vacuum sealer, air fryer, instant pot, fridge organizers, and meal prep containers, lifesavers for grab-and-go breakfasts and lunches. Links to my favorite tools are in the description. Make it a 1-hour ritual, not a chore. You don't need to spend all day meal prepping, or just overwhelmed. I set a timer, get focused, and get it done. I give myself 1 hour, usually early in the morning before the house wakes up. If your kids are older, invite them to help. This is a life skill, not just a chore. Step 5. Plan for snack breaks and emotional check-ins. Snacks are fine, but let's get curious. Am I really hungry? It's about balance, not restriction. Step 6. Simplify your food choices. Too many options equals decision fatigue. Try this. Only keep to healthy snack choices available. It will reduce overwhelm and help you make better choices in the moment. Step 7. Follow the 80-20ths rule. Let 80% of your groceries be real, whole foods, veggies, and protein. And the other 20% be the fun stuff. Step 8. Drink water first. Sometimes we snack when we're really just thirsty. Try drinking 32 ounces of water before your meal. It can reset your hunger and help you stay present. Step 9. Eat slowly and mindfully. Give your body time to catch up with your brain. It takes about 20 minutes to feel full. So slow down and enjoy your food. Step 10. Stop at 80% full. You don't need to clean your plate. Pay attention to how full you feel, and give yourself permission to stop before you restuffed. Step 11. Ditch the I can't language instead of I can't eat that. Try, I choose not to eat that right now. Also, check the links below for free guides, my blog, tools, and recipes just for you. I'm here to remind you that you matter, and when you take care of yourself, you show up stronger. For your kids, and for you, you're in control. Your choices come from strength, not from punishment. Step 12. Replace the habit, not just the food. When you feel the urge to eat mindlessly, pause and ask, what else would serve me right now? Sometimes the best thing is a breath, a walk, or a moment of quiet. Let's take small, healthy steps together. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.